Do you want to know how you can track how you're doing in either Google or YouTube search? Stick around because TubeBuddy has you covered. Hello TubeBuddies! Being able to track how your videos are ranking for a specific keyword is crucial to make sure that your channel is staying on track and is relevant. This TubeBuddy Star and Higher feature lets you see how you're doing not only for YouTube search results, but for the Google search results for keywords that you enter. Knowing how your channel's videos are performing through search results gives you an idea of how many opportunities there are for new people to find your channel through YouTube search. We not only let you know how you're doing in search results, but we also give you the opportunity to schedule those updates so you can see how you're doing in search at any time you choose. If you'd like to learn how to do that, you're gonna have to stick around to the end of this video. But let's get started by heading over to YouTube. From the TubeBuddy drop-down menu, head to Website Tools. Then, click on Search Rank Tracking. You can also get here from the TubeBuddy dashboard. Once on the dashboard, click on Search Rank Tracking here. This will load the Search Rank Tracking tool. We have keywords we're tracking already, but if you've never used this, the screen will look like this. To add a keyword, click on the green Add Keywords button. It's important to note that this requires a star or higher license, and with the star level of TubeBuddy, you can track only 5 keywords, and on Legend, you can track up to 50 keywords. We'll go ahead and add YouTube milestones. When it comes to things to track, we recommend keeping it specific to things you want to rank for, or for things you're already ranking for. The keywords you track should be the main videos that your channel is about. If you're a gaming channel, the main things you should track is how your videos are doing around that game. If you're a beauty channel, maybe the thing you should track is how your videos are doing for a specific beauty brand. I'll go ahead and show you some of the things that we track here at TubeBuddy. When you add your keywords, you can see what they look like here, and you can either search for this keyword in YouTube by clicking on this pop-out icon, or you can stop tracking the keyword by selecting this red X. Once you start inserting your keywords, we'll start generating reports. You can get there by clicking on the left-hand side here by selecting Ranking Reports. You could also click on Go to Ranking Reports at the bottom of this page. If you've never ran a ranking report, you'll get this screen. You'll need to click Generate a Ranking Report to get your first report to show. This can take a few minutes to load, depending on the amount of keywords. Although, since we have ranking reports running already, we'll just show you what it looks like to see a finalized report. We run a ranking report weekly, but don't worry, we'll show you how to do this in just a bit. But before we do that, click the View Report button here. This will generate the report. At the top, you'll see when the data was collected and at what time, as well as an option to download the report as a PDF and see how your videos are doing for a target keyword on both YouTube and Google search. If you ever get confused on what everything means, we have a legend at the bottom. This shows if the video is from you or a competitor you set. It's important to note that competitor tracking does require a legend level license. If you want to learn more about setting up a competitor, you can do so through the card on screen now, but be sure to come back to this video to learn more. We then show you what is ranking, be it a YouTube video, YouTube channel, or YouTube playlist. The YouTube and Google logo both display where you rank on that platform. We also give more information about the rankings. Let's go ahead and look at TubeBuddy Free. We can see that we're ranking number 1 on YouTube and number 2 on Google. If we want to verify this information, we can check this by clicking here, as we can see on the legend. We can also see that this video went up in the search rankings, while this video fell in the rankings. It's important to notice where your videos are ranking in search results for a specific term. For example, we at TubeBuddy want to keep ranking high in search results for the term TubeBuddy Free. One of the things that you might notice is that your videos are starting to fall from search results. If you start noticing your videos are falling from search results, that's a sign that you need to either make a new video or update the existing metadata on an old video to try to do better in search results. Creating new videos, playlists, etc. about the TubeBuddy Free version helps us stay relevant and draws attention to the fact that TubeBuddy does have some amazing free tools. And whether you're a Star or Legend user, you can have a monthly or weekly report sent to you so you can track how you're doing for keywords in search results. On the left-hand side, click on Scheduling. Then, you can choose how often you want a ranking report to automatically run. You can set this up weekly or monthly, and can even choose the date you'd like it to start. We have the report sent out weekly, since we release new content about once a week. Are you tracking keywords once you create a video, or are you just creating one piece of content around a keyword? Be sure to let us know in the YouTube comments. Do you want to keep track of who's sharing your videos and where? Check out that video about our free social monitor tool. I'm Andrew Cam from TubeBuddy. Now go out and track how you're doing on not only YouTube, but also Google search.